a shift in what people are looking for. I think people are tired of going to a doctor and just being give a medication to put a cap or a cushion over their symptom. Why am I responding this way? Why am I reacting to things the way I am? And that was kind of the challenge that I wanted to figure out. And I found a lot of it came from deficiency in the body, imbalances in the body. The body is always fighting for homeostasis or balance. And I had a lot of imbalances, and that came from diet, it came from environment, it came from lack of exercise, high stress, toxicity. There's all of these things that fell into my life that I didn't realize were literally breaking me down and not allowing me to live to my fullest potential. And all of our providers are MDs, they're cardiologists, they're anesthesiologists, they're internal medicine guys. You're not just working with anybody, you're working with doctors. And that's what's powerful about us. We are a medical company that has real doctors with real medical pathways that you can take control of your medical health and have true individualized care based on your health goals, taking into account your health challenges. Bioperformance is for men and women. I believe there's power in couples. You know, don't get me wrong, if you're single, that's great too. We can work with you as singles, but you know, having a place that husbands and wives can go together. You know, sexual health is a really important thing. Especially in intimacy and relationships. And, you know, long-term intimacy can go away. Again, that complacency in your relationship. So we want to give that rejuvenation to couples and into individuals. So being able to impact men and impact women, I think are equally important because women, honestly, they're more health conscious than men.